Hey guys, we received this RANKEEF bracelet for men, 8 natural stone, and these are the stretch adjustable black crystal or the beaded bracelet for the man or woman. So comes in a really nice gift box, as you can see. So there is a pair of four of these bracelets, one in the black, one as the tiger eye gem, one as the blue, and one is a combination of blue and black. You can wear two or you can wear single, depend on you. So they are stretchy and the feel is good. Total like 8 the size, and you can see the different style. So no pinching of the hair, easily comes in the hand. So they are stretchable, natural stone with the nice comfort wear, as you can see it here. So these stones are lava stone, tiger eye, blue onyx, and the black onyx. The feel is really good, and you can give it to anyone you want. And they can also wear it in a different combination. So nice, stackable, and cool design, and feel and looks really good too. Smooth surface. So as you can see, they feel really nice and good on hand and comfortable as well.